Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Ito po ang ating tanong. Discover the principle behind the rows and or columns of the 3x3 square image and determine which of the choices will fit in at the square with the question mark. Is it A, B, C, or D? Now, dito po, obviously, na-mention sa ating item na we need to discover the relationships in either row or column or both if there are any. Okay? So, let's look into the relationship muna ng ating rows. Whatever will be the common relationship on these two rows, apply it to the third to get our question mark. Now, looking into this po, okay, we have an arc here, straight horizontal line in the middle, and we have here an arc as well. Together with this, we have this figure for the third. Ano kaya yung ibig sabihin nito? Actually, we simply combine all of them. Okay? Kasi nga po, dito, or let's just use here, yung straight line niya, ilalagay natin dito, and yung dalawang curve will fill in this figure here. In short, for our rows, we combine the figures. Similar to the second, we have a horizontal line and vertical line in the middle. Their combination is this cross or intersecting lines. So, we're going to apply the same thing here. So, we have an arc here. Sorry, if my drawing is not accurate. We have also an arc here to be combined with this arc here. Sorry. And an arc here as well. So, basically, if my drawing is accurate, we know now that our result here is automatically letter D. This is the answer to the question mark set here. Let's find out if meron bang relationship din yung columns niya. A word of caution, not all the time na may relationship both rows and columns. But here, let's try to see if we have so that we could also verify if our answer po ay tama o hindi. So from here, we have the arc, and we have this straight line. Here, straight horizontal line. Then we have the arcs. So obviously, for our columns, it's subtraction or deletion. From here, we delete or we remove the horizontal line. So we are left with the two curves here. Similar po dito, meron tayong vertical and curve here and here. Dito may straight line. So by subtraction, tatanggalin to, ito yung natitira. So for our final here, supposedly, ito yung given natin. Okay? So we have this figure here. Following the concept of subtraction or deletion for our columns, we will delete first the eraser. We will delete the vertical line here, and we will delete the horizontal line. So it still fits the criteria here and give us the answer of letter D. Again, swerte tayo na sa video ito and sa previous one, we have relationships on rows and columns, but not all the time na merong relationship are both. One is already enough for us to determine the correct answer like we did earlier. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!